Good morning, my dear student. Here I am going to discuss one new topic, that is leukopoiesis. In this leukopoiesis, we will discuss the development and maturation of the different stages of different types of WBC. First, what is the leukopoiesis? The definition of leukopoiesis is the process of development and maturation of white blood cells is called leukopoiesis. Next, what is the site of leukopoiesis? The site of leukopoiesis is a bone marrow. If you see in this picture, you see the histological picture of bone marrow, where you see there are two compartments. One is vascular compartment, another one is hemopoietic compartment. All the blood cells develop from pluripotent hemopoietic stem cells, and this pluripotent hemopoietic stem cells is also known as PHSC. And when this hemopoietic stem cells, after several divisions, after several maturation, it converted into the progenitor cells, which is also known as colony forming unit. Leukopoiesis can be discussed in two headings: the formation of granulocytes and monocytes, and the formation of lymphocytes. The formation of granulocytes and monocytes, the first, you see the pluripotent hemopoietic stem cells converted into colony forming unit, granulocytes and monocytes. These colony forming unit, granulocytes and monocytes, converts into the colony forming unit G, granulocytes, colony forming unit eosinophils, colony forming unit basophils, and colony forming unit monocytes. And these converted into the myeloblast. So you see the first cell which gives rise to this WBC is pluripotent hematopoietic stem cells, and this gives to the colony forming unit granulocyte monocytes, and these finally converted into different lineages, that is the CFU EO, which is eosinophils, CFU basophils, cophils, this granulocytes, and the CFU M, which is monocytes. The formation of granulocytes and monocytes. There are two series. One is myeloid series, where there is a development of the granulocyte, and granulocyte, you know, the eosinophils, basophils, and the neutrophils. And there is a monocyte and macrophage series, where there is a development of the monocyte, and this monocyte is converted into the macrophage. Here you see the picture of neutrophils. In this neutrophil, what are the characteristic of the neutrophils? The nucleus of mature neutrophils is purple in color. The cytoplasm of neutrophil is pale bluish in color. Granules are lysosomal in origins and contain a variety of enzymes. So these are the some characteristic of neutrophils. You see the diameter of neutrophils is 10 to 14 micron, and the nucleus is 2 to 5 lobed nucleus. Here again you see the picture of neutrophils, the different pictures of neutrophils you see. The basophils. Basophils, the diameter of basophils is again the 10 to 14 micron diameter. Nucleus is irregular, may be bilobed or trilobed. The cytoplasm is slightly basophilic and appears blue. The granules of basophils are very coarse and stain deep purple. The granules of basophil contains heparin, histamines and 5-hydroxytryptamine. In lymphocytes, lymphocytes are of two types, the small lymphocytes and large lymphocyte. The diameter of large lymphocyte varies from 12 to 16 micron and the small lymphocyte 7 to 10 micron. The nucleus is stained blue very deeply, that is ink spot, and the cytoplasm is clear light blue color. The monocyte is the largest mature leukocyte in the peripheral blood. It measures around 12 to 20 micron in diameter. The nucleus is notched or indentated, or you can call it horseshoe shape or kidney shaped nucleus. The cytoplasm is abundant, pale blue color. The first cell is a myeloblast, which you see in the bone marrow. The myeloblast converted into promyelocytes. The promyelocytes is converted into myelocytes. Myelocytes converts into the metamyelocytes, and this metamyelocytes converts into band form, and then finally the neutrophils, eosinophils, basophils appears. So up to this upper portion of this development is the same for eosinophil, neutrophils and the basophils. Up to band form, it is present in the bone marrow. In the blood, the neutrophils appears. The process of granulopoiesis takes about 12 days. Here you see the pictures. The myeloblast, which is converted into the promyelocytes. The promyelocytes is converted into the three types of the eosinophilic myelocytes, neutrophilic myelocytes and basophilic myelocytes. Then eosinophilic myelocytes converted into eosinophilic metamyelocytes, the eosinophilic stab cells and then eosinophils. Here the neutrophilic myelocytes, neutrophil metamyelocytes, neutrophilic stab cells and the neutrophils. This basophilic myelocytes, basophilic metamyelocytes, basophil stab cells and basophils. So it is clear that the first is myeloblast, and after the promyelocytes it is converted into three types of the granulocytes, that is eosinophilic, neutrophilic and basophilic myelocytes. Myeloblast, you see the picture of myeloblast. The myeloblast is the earliest recognizable cell of the granulocyte series. Here the mitosis is marked. The second one is promyelocytes. The cytoplasm increase in amount and characterized by the presence of azurophil granules. These granules are also called primary non-specific granules, and these gives a positive reaction with peroxidase stain. This is one important point you should know. Second one is a myelocytes. In myelocyte, the cytoplasm is characterized by the presence of a specific secondary granules, which is also known as secondary granules, and accordingly the cell can be identified at this stage. So according to the secondary granules, the cell can be neutrophil myelocytes, eosinophil myelocytes and the basophil myelocytes. The metamyelocytes, the cytoplasm increase in amount and becomes more liquid. Both primary and secondary granules are present in the metamyelocytes. Stab cells refers to the juvenile granulocytes. Here you the segmented neutrophils which you see, which is present in the peripheral blood smear. So what is conclusion? All of the granulocytes derive from the myeloblast. Myelocyte is the stage when the three types of granulocytes can be recognized. The maturation process of granulocytes characterized by the synthesis of the agerophilic and specific granule and the condensation of nucleus. Mature granulocytes leave the bone marrow, they enter the circulation, this is connective tissue. Thank you for your attention.